Hello guys, I've been given this phone, it's not powering on. I don't have a power supply, so I've connected it to a battery. Oh sorry. This is the ground and this is the V-bar. At R22, at charging IC, at power IC MT6323GA, at the backlight IC, at the processor, at MT6572A, and this is the flash IC, it's like the memory. So let's do some measuring or testing. Okay, and the AVM multimeter here and the board. Okay, let's do some testing. How should I do this? Okay, let me try to, okay, like that. No, how should I do it? Okay, here we go. Power on test point. Okay, let's start with the V-bar. V-bar. Okay, I can use here. It is 4 volts. V-bar is 4 volts. Power on test point. There, power on test point. Okay, that's power on test point. It is 0 volt. Power on test point. Again, power on test point. It is 4 volts. Okay, that is not bad. And the V-bar from here, V-bar from there, V-bar. This 4 volt. Okay, fine. Yes, okay guys, like, share and subscribe please. Power on test point and at the ground. So we sort it for some 2 to 3 seconds. Okay, let's see if the phone is on. No, it's not on. And there's no backlight, there's no picture. Okay, fine. Okay. Now this power IC has 3 back converter. So this is it is a back converter. Let's see. It is bringing 1.2, good, and then for this one here, it is bringing 2.1, good. Now at the power for the backlight IC, it should be from these diodes here. From these diodes. See that? Yeah, from that diode. So let me try to test it and see. There we go. Okay, how many volts? So there is a backlight voltage of 36.2 volt. So there should be a backlight, but I'm not seeing any backlight. So what is the problem? I think the problem could be with the diodes. Yeah, the problem could be with the LED diodes, right? Okay, so I will remove the screen and then I check the LEDs. Okay, see you again.